Alright. Date night. I'm Toka for January. It is my turn to plan a date. So we bought Hungry Howie's, which is a pizza. And we're gonna have a paint night. Paint night, Mahal. Are you ready?
Yes. The first time doing this actually.
Okay. Yeah. So we're gonna see how terrible his painting is.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're gonna start. Oh yeah, Mahal. I forgot. You're gonna paint me.
What? No pictures or anything?
No,
Actual?
it's just actual. And then I'll paint you too. So
So,
these are stuff right here.
Practice ka na eh.
No, I don't have any practice. Alright, you ready?
No.
No! Oh, well, ready or not, we're gonna start. So far away. How's it going? Yours. That's the progress. I think ikaw, Mahal. Sa akin. Hindi, record mo sa'yo. Oh, ang lakas na tawa! Ha? Okay.
Una ako.
Una ka.
Oh, one.
Teka dito, Mahal.
One.
Itapat mo muna sa akin, habang binito. Ang laki ng ilo! Bakit ang laki ng Ay, good job do. Galing, may hikaw pa siya. Tsaka mayroong may eyebrows at tsaka eyelashes. Wow, ang laki ng ilong ko!
Hindi, nalapis yan eh. Hindi ko na mabura. Ano ko bubura ito? Sana patungan siya.
Mukha akong mukha akong lawyer dyan. Good job, Mahal. Okay, ako naman. You ready?
Yeah.
Teka, wait, pirmahan ko din yung akin. May pirma yun sa'yo, wait lang. Ito, I don't know kung kamukha niya. Napaano yung ilok? Napa Michael Jackson? Alright.
Narito okay ba?
Ha?
Narito okay.
Yeah, okay, look. Wait.
Tungo ka ako.
Hindi, Mahal, mukhang hinahanap po namin ngayon itong...
Hindi, pero yung scale niya.
Okay. You ready?
Yeah. Sino to?
Sabi ko sa'yo, pinaghahanap na yan eh. Mukhang Michael Jackson
Pero
yun.
ano, yung... Pagtalikod, tignan mo.
Harap
Yung
po sa'yo.
silhouette.
Harap. Ay, ano mo. Tingnan natin. Yung ilong talaga eh.
Ang hirap mag-drawing ng ilong. Ang hirap.
I know. Dapat nga initiman ko pa siya eh, yung ilong. I think dapat mas dark. Kaso kasi nangingintab yung ilong mo. So,
Gre-reflect.
mm.
Yeah.
Let me see.
Pagsabihin natin yung mag-asawa.
Pinaghahanap po namin itong dalawang to. Ano nangyari dun sa ilong na yun? Oh, ang laki.
Hindi, ano
Mga
eh.
lawyer.
Eh.
Yan yung Yan yung na-scam.
Hindi ito yung lawyer na pandak.
Yung 3/4.
Oo. Hindi. One half talaga yun.
Yung ilong ko yung ilong nito eh. Parang siya
Hindi,
nga
ano,
eh.
yun. Hindi ko na nabura. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko i-ano eh.
be purple, I could be green or pink or black or white. I could be every color you like. I could be red, or I could be yellow. I could be blue, or I could be purple. I could be green or pink or black or white.